Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, we'll show you how to create Google Analytics line charts in Excel. If you want to create a line chart in Excel for your page views, start by opening Google Analytics and heading to All Pages and Site Contents. There, click the dates in the top right. Then select a start date and an end date. Hit Apply. Now head up and click Export. Then select Excel, and the data will be downloaded in a spreadsheet. Next, open the Excel file you just downloaded. Then click the Dataset 2 tab at the bottom. Here you'll find a column of dates and corresponding page views. If you need to view the dates more clearly, you can expand column A. Now, click the first date and press Right and Shift. Then press Shift, Control, and down on your keyboard to select all the dates. With the dates selected, head up and click Insert. Then hit the line chart icon, and select a chart from the drop-down. You can select from a variety of layouts at the top. When you're happy, head down and enter a title for your line chart. We'll name ours Page Views. If you only want to view a certain range within the data you exported, you can do that by clicking on the chart. Then, head up to the Chart Design tab. Here, click Select Data in the ribbon. When the Select Data Source dialog box opens, select Edit under Horizontal. Now head over to the dates in column A, and select any range you want. When you're done, hit OK, and OK again to confirm. As you can see, we've now created a line chart for a specific range. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, why not buy us a coffee? We'd really appreciate it, and it would help us grow the channel. Thanks for watching. Remember to check the description for additional resources. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.